Nang litum stame la penili stame nili bong mate osumara tumafan la bangke school banga chotoydun iglo stame chotoydun that puai fit stame nang litum ta chinne la penili stame chinne je alang litum arni wang la school kidun hut ka chivek pon pona bag la bangke ka anakar dijine lapen the school bag policy of India 2020 aronatang pen kapiklang pondo je osumara tumafan school la bag la bangke penang an akizi mate alin ki ong la bangke pachewek longle pu ki tok pon mate ki pi pondo la so puthak pini nali to la so video long nang than pachini pon ikpo je class 1 pen class 12 kacharli bom osumaratum ko an alin si mate ka an akizi a bag si ki pon nang jima la pen ki pon nang jem nang nema la so puthak si nang nali to man klar daga lam la so video long nang than pachini pon ikpo nang litum han tuning rialam the bang la son hello nang litum la so YouTube channel la long jong sina ka homri milang pola de ka chinghon pen la subscribe pu to arjan dui la so dim nang litum very gon la pe latest update nang litum kilong ver zia fan bel arjan thekling hodas ta nang litum berpon ik der non tangte non the school bag policy of India 2020 la so arona tang puthak le lang polona la pen che than polona Kang non pathek pen chithan polonang school bag policy of India 2020 mate 2020 hala so the school bag policy aputhak paklang pon iglo lasila so school abek ko anakar diksi usmar to mafan kipidu nang zima kipinang nima la so aputhak non lang polonang la pen chithan polonang Daketok pondo the government of India hin penta recently launched ponlo mate release poniglo camping concerting students all over the country. It's common to see students carrying heavy bags to school, extra textbooks, class notes, projects, and other materials increase the weight of the school bag. In cases neck pain, back pain, bad posture, extra heavy bags continuously weighed down to their shoulder. Most are not strong enough to handle. As a government of India hin penstameda recently launched ponlo mati camping pado ponlo je all labangke all country lo mat all India lo kaduk naho country sab a country fantalo labangke in common to see student carrying heavy bags mate bag Akardi alang usmar tum kachewek pon jela sab uthaklo kodak bag arlo ke doi extra textbooks doi class notes lapen kapek tipin dolang bong dolang pena son data se la sob bag la alang nitum la usmar tum kachewek school ki don hot kachewek pon la bangke ko ane kardigzi mate kardizi hello so kardi ajoini si bag pain mate anung arep amois dame alang litum suida titi la si komjur iwara titi jola so aputhak posida of official authorities labangke intervene to save the kids from burden in light of the recent information a reform called the school bag policy of 2000 of India 2020 johala sosi padopan koklo has been implemented lo check the standard is the maximum amount of the bag school bag weight tang non lang pono nang kon an kar dc pachwek pon engzima mate kilo do engzima jolo so puthak non lang ponang la pen lada ki tok pon penang ando so is circular issue by the Directorate of Education urges school of the follow the bags policy of India 2000 the permanent official bodies response to releasing the policy in the National Council of Educational Research and Training Center mat NCERT ahin pensi la so puthak bangke pado poniglo ngasi penan da ki tok dos tameni lila an ki tok puthak ban ang litumhan dak nang than pachini pon igedat po tangte la min point la bangke lang ponanang from class 1 to class 2 director class 10 the school bags should not weigh more than 10% of the total body weight of the student per primary student should not carry bags to the school until class 2 the policy recommends the teacher not give homework to the student for class starting in class 3 to 5 the homework limit should be 2 hours per week na pen dag do lang penang an kipipon do iglang lahai manani tum Kachini Nangji Kenangsot lo for classes 6 to
8. The homework limit should 1 hour per day. Similarly, class 9 above should be 2 hours per day. School should undergo infrastructural change like the lockers. School will be able to carry several books daily. Thin or light ones should replace heavy or thick books. Hai ta da people no. Lapen min atofik bang lason la who released the school bag policy in India commercial so school bag policy bang paklang pon ma labang kenili impen da pala NCERT hin pencil so a policy bang dak paklang pon iglo lapen what in fact ethical change should made according to the school bag policy of India. According to the school bag policy, the school should provide lockers to the children. Lapen number 3 long lang labang main important what should be the bag limit for class 1 to 8 according to the school bag policy of India 2020 mate 2020 arona ting pen pelotang te dag labang kenali tun lang ikpamenon 1.6 kg to 2.2 kg for class 1 pen class 2 student tumlo laan basic laan kardisi pon long chodji lapen puthot dotulang 1.7 kg to 2.5 kg for class 3 lapen class 5 atum lapen 2 to 3 kg for mate linni pen linthom labang ki class 6 pen class 7 student atum fan lo lapen dag dotulang what should the limit for class 8 and class 12 atum bangke ladak pipon iglo as per the school bag policy of India 2020 pen pelotang ke arona ting pen pelotang dak 2.5 kg to 4 kg labang ke class 8 atum hanlo na pen 2.5 to 4.5 kg for class 9 pen class 10 atum lo na pen 3.5 to 5 kg labang ke class 11 pen class 12 an asomar kachali asomar atum bangkel an alinsi school along pon long chodji jola pen aki ong class 1 pen class 2 jong silin thom ba linira chitim na ansi pon prote alang litum parents atum hansi dak problem bang du ikok po la sinali tum chilang dun igon jong sid nali tum tipin la pen kapre extra hormone nali tum jong silu dun ji pulte la bangke nali tum thonon kok si kemeji la pen la dak ketok ponating pelotang te nalitum lang ingo 1.6 to 2.2 kg for class 1 to class 1 to 2 1.7 to 2.5 kg for class 3 lapen class 5 lapen 2.3 kg for class 6 lapen class 7 lapen 2.5 kg to 4 kg for class 8 lapen 2.5 to 4.5 kg for class 9 lapen 10 lapen 3.5 to 5 kg for class 11 lapen 12. When should the bag be checked according to the school bag policy of India? Mate school bag policy of India hin pen kumantu sila so bag ke check ning jima la so puthak stame dak tok pon lo. The school bag policy of Indian is that the teacher should do the bag checking every 3 months. Mate chiklojan thom pen bang alang litum kaite check pon ikver nang po la bangke teacher atum si check pon nang po jo lalo lapen da kitok pon bang la ansor lapen pinan kitok pon do nili nali tumhan la so implement alus tamen nali tumhan peklang pon ekpo screen along nali tum thek pon long exi la bang helo school bag policy 2020 aputhak da kitok pon dolo implementation alolo policy of school 2020 nali tum dak ladak mate details ben kitok thek pon long ekpon copy pc kitok pon man labang so alu along kaduk kawe dak doik thailo homework on ansi gi pidun nang jima lapen school bag aputhak lapen kapre ga sonsta me dak kaduk kawe dak tok pon ik atlo la so alu jong sunali tum lang tung mate charling poring tung pon nang tum telegram channel kalte whatsapp group rasta me nang tum long pon ekpo kaduk kawe details tame dak pipon ik atlo sta me nang tum la Osmar tum jong school chotoy dun pelte alang litum abeg man litum mata ki check dun nang ji labang ke Kenangsot la yase pinia video bang na ke than ponji bang la ancholo la sidumi thakmi ka du kawe karbitish 2.0 youtube channel long kelang ra do an fasta me nilen pen kardom to change